Greetings, my name is John Cardiff Gerhardt. I'm running as an independent for the Assembly District 12 in the state of Nevada. And the reason why I'm running is because for many months now, I've been drafting a new state constitution, which I call the Nevada State Constitution. If elected, I would ask for a constitutional convention amongst the legislature. It would have to be approved by the lower house and then also the Senate, the upper house. But if they all majorly agreed upon having a constitutional convention, I could present this draft to the legislature in the 2021 legislative session, and hopefully it would make Nevada one of the greatest states in the Union by far, because the Constitution is the law of the land, and what we are experiencing now could only most closely be assimilated to the Revolutionary War and the United States Constitution, freeing the people from the tyrannical English. But in today's day and age, it would be the tyrannical deep state, which it kind of has always been from the beginning, right? And so read it. If you haven't read the Constitution of the state of Nevada, the law of our land, I highly encourage you to try. And then read my draft. Both are easily findable online, and compare the two, really. If mine is good enough for you to vote me in, even if you don't live in District 12, you still have the opportunity to move to District 12 by September. If you live in District 12 by September 2020, then you will be eligible to vote for District 12's assembly. And I am running against a Republican and a Democrat, so I need as many patriots as possible to help me win. Again, the name is John Cardiff Gerhardt, running for Assembly District 12. If you need any more information, I'm providing everything I possibly can on my website, which is votecardiff.org. Votecardiff.org. Have a great day.